good parking over here for your car, for your truck even, easily parked. And even if you are coming on your super bikes or bikes, easily parking is available. Nice rooms. The biggest problem over here is language, because if you don't know the language, if for example if I don't know the language, then I am going to face a lot of problems, challenges. If you know the language, then you are in heaven already. So just going for a random tour in Tamilian streets, and always there is a gap in between two houses. They do not construct houses very easily with joint walls. There will be always a gap between the two houses. This is basically representing the Kichak from Mahabharat. He's supposed to be always on the stamba. What do we call that stamba? I forgot. Pillar. Somewhere here and there on the pillar. Either he's lifting the pillar or somewhere here and there near the pillars to lift all the balance of the temple. These are 7 sisters down Indian bottom. So 7 sisters, 7 different languages, and they are really very unique, but somehow they have some identical things. ये महावीर सिल्क्स की दुकान है. ये राजस्थान से है सर, और and I'm buying my sarees over here from his shop. So he's got a lot of stuff. I didn't know how to do the church ceremonies nicely, so I sat in the morning. I saw, yeah, I couldn't understand Tamil, but I could understand the vibrations. Just to eat biryani, my goodness, the queue. This is SS Hyderabad biryani. People insane, queue, insane. What I'm seeing right now is R1300. So I was excited to see this. This is a demo vehicle. And this is the BMW showroom over here. I went inside and I did my thing, which I had to do. And that is the last heaven. After this, there is nothing, no desires. She's beautiful, huh? Tamil Nadu de vich 3 showroom hai. One is in Coimbatore, one is in Chennai, one is in Trichy. And this is Moto Morani 649 Escape. And the weight of this bike is 215 kilograms. This is the one and only that just arrived right now. Manually you will have to adjust this thing, the shield, and 825 is the height. That thing is a little low. That's 190 something. It's not that high. It's heavy. Advento During. It's China made bike. Like it. She's very unique. In Delhi we have the showroom, but over here in Chandigarh we don't have. I don't think someone owns this bike in Punjab or Haryana or Himachal. Barely. Delhi might be possible, but otherwise I don't know. Yeah, I am happy to see this bike. Behind me is the main Gurudwara Sahib of Coimbatore city, and that side that you see, these up rooms are newly constructed rooms for the stay of people like us. Currently I'm staying with my friend, but in case sometimes she's not there, then I can stay over here. There is good parking over here for your car, for your truck even, easily parked. And even if you are coming on your super bikes or bikes, easily parking is available. Nice rooms. And Gurudwara Sahib has got more construction. You will meet a lot of Sikh people over here. Basically our community, the Punjabi community, even the Hindus from the north are also coming. That I know because I used to live here for my work. Super bikes, Apache standing. Simple, nothing specific. So that is the Gurudwara Sahib once again, Singh Sahib. Right in front of the Brooklyn Mall, that is the mall. So right in front of the mall, there is the petrol pump. There is the petrol pump, mall, Gurudwara Sahib. And that is the stay, Sarah, that we have. Somebody must have come. Some Tamilian Sikhs. And then this is the market that we usually follow to come here. EV. Probably you're seeing me in my I don't know which blog. So we're here in this blog. What I wanted to say is Coimbatore city, or I would say the whole Tamil Nadu, is really very different in terms of culture. How do they use their things? How do they manage things? How do they bring things? I just saw a panther that is standing really far from me right now. I was trying to take his video and then he just like a snake, he did it. What I wanted to say was they have different vehicles. They have different colors in vehicles. They have literally made the super bikes the daily way commuting bikes. Himalayan, you'll just see them, see these people using as their scooter or something. Yeah, I will continue my babbling a little bit. So I wanted to say that Tamil Nadu is really very different in terms of colors. Vehicle colors basically, house colors basically. They use different, I showed you the tanks, water tanks in some blog previously. Yeah, golden tanks, I would say yellow tanks, they're using water tanks. Then their houses, the construction of houses is still the very basic, the old one. They're managing their culture, they're managing their traditions, they're managing their festivals. That's a really very amazing. Northern people should learn, especially since I'm from Punjab, so I would tell my people to stick back to their roots again if they don't want to lose their identity. And these people are literally maintaining their identity, especially the language. The biggest problem over here is language, because if you don't know the language, for example, if I don't know the language, then I am going to face a lot of problems, challenges. If you know the language, then you are in heaven already. So knowing the language is really very important over here, above everything called. Anyways, I'm just enjoying it fully and I'm really motivated to learn Tamil. And the congested routes. Traffic is really, really very pathetic over here. The city is unorganized in terms of the traffic. It's not organized. Even in Ludhiana, the traffic is not organized. Amritsar, the traffic is not organized. These are, just the cities that developed really. They used to be small some time back and now they have grown up. So there is the problem of traffic. Since the population is already too much in India, so traffic to hoega hi. The basic shops for the meat cutting. Sri Krishna. The bananas you will see over here. Cylinder A. So that is banana, red banana, green banana. Shops. Everywhere there are tea stalls. Right now just past. Tea stalls everywhere. After every 10-20 feet there is a tea stall. Tea stall with mendu vada and some onion pakoda or something like that. There is always something with the tea stalls. And then I really want to buy myself a super South Indian look sari. I'm desperate to wear that sari in Punjab and I really want to look different. I'm looking for one. I think I will find one in the shop. I really know that guy is from Rajasthan, so he owns a shop for clothes. I think I'll find it and I'll wear it. This is very normal to get this thing over here with your tea. 4 p.m. tea, the high tea. I'm waiting for my chai. He's going to make my tea over there. Normally people, come to spaces like this and they eat and they order. This is how my tea looks like, orange color tea. I used to come here 7.5 years back for some evening tea after my work. So the owner is here, but she doesn't recognize me. She's busy. It's very weird for me that she doesn't recognize me, but I recognize her very fairly. Also there was 2 more people. They're not here. The shop is same. Anyways, I'm going to have my tea, have it, own it, drink it, and then I'm gonna leave with some sari, I guess. Just going for a random tour in Tamilian streets. Very narrow streets. Papi sleeping. They make this, this platform for usually sitting outside the house. If you are a guest and you want to enter their house, you will not easily enter their house unless they know you very nicely. Then only you can directly enter in the house. If they do not know you, you will be sitting outside in the platform of the house. They'll greet you over there. They'll send you back from there. Oh, the school. This is Anganwadi school for little babies. Bathrooms. Some PG over there that I know. Hostel, ladies hostel already written over there. And then some shop for eating. That platform they use for washing the clothes. The streets, the typical house entry. They use this bluish white color for painting their house. And always there is a gap in between two houses. They do not construct houses very easily with joint walls. There will be always a gap between the two houses. The typical gate, entry gate. See, this is the platform that I was talking about, that you will have before entering the house, and they will make you sit over here. The typical rooftop. बड़ा नीचे की तरफ होता है ये rooftop, downfall. The street, the nala. This gives the old vibe. That white color gives the old vibe. That is some colorful thing that doesn't give any old vibe. This is new vibe. This is typical pure. I can figure out the Malgudi days. This is all covered with the grass and all that stuff. These are the average temples that you will see, with a lot of gods and goddesses depicting various scenes from our ancient tales. And this is basically representing the Kichak from Mahabharata. He's supposed to be always on the stamba. What do we call that stamba? I forgot. Pillar. Somewhere here and there on the pillar. Either he's lifting the pillar or somewhere here and there near the pillars to lift all the balance of the temple. So that is one of the main characters from what do we call? Mahabharata. Mahabharata. Yeah, these are the temples, and this is the regular decoration that you will find. And they always put the cow dung thing, and then they will design something with white. And then this is the lamp basically that they will lighten up during either special occasions, or they will just lighten up one diya in front of the temple entry. See, there are that diya already lightened up since it's evening already. That is Nandi, and I hope this is Shiva temple. See, that is the inside of the temple. Gods and goddesses representing the scenarios, and everywhere we see you will always find a flower shop near the temple. So I do good vlogging. I have knowledge. If not extreme knowledge, then at least I have knowledge, because I listen to videos, I listen to podcasts of great Indian writers, and I see a lot of documentaries, and I really love to listen to RZZ channels stories for Mahabharata and Hindu traditions and culture, since it's a majority-wise Hindu country. So I read, I write, not write, but yeah, I read a lot, I listen a lot, I even try to remember things. So this thing which I told you is authentic, and I know it very nicely. In Tamil Nadu, we speak Tamil language. In Karnataka, we speak Kannada. In Kerala, we speak Malayalam. So in Telangana, we speak Telugu. These are 7 sisters down Indian bottom. So 7 sisters, 7 different languages, and they are really very unique, but somehow they have some identical things like we have in Latin languages, Romanian, French, Portuguese, Italian and Spanish. So there are sister languages always. Anyways, for the moment I think this is enough, and I am going to purchase my sari if possible, and I'm going to take another tour. And if you really like the vlog, let me know. That's it. ये महावीर सिल्क्स की दुकान है, ये राजस्थान से है सर, और and I'm buying my sarees over here from his shop. So he's got a lot of stuff. She's a little shy. I'll not show you, don't worry, but you'll be there a little bit. So these are a lot of sarees and all that stuff what people like over here, and all that. ये what is this? ये वाला क्या है ये? ओके गॉट इट. सो ये नीचे वाला हो गया इन ऑल. चलो जी, मेरा डन हो गया यहाँ पे. मैं खुशी जाऊँगी अब वापस. It's today's vlog. I didn't start the video. There is Priscilla sitting with me, and I didn't know how to do the church ceremonies nicely. So I sat in the morning. I saw, I couldn't understand Tamil, but I could understand the vibrations. I could feel them. It was really very nice. In the end, we had, after the prayers, the food, and there was some drink that I had. It was like a medicine. Priscilla, which brand it was?
No idea. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Hey, how could it be Coca-Cola?
Bomonto. It's
Yeah.
a Tamil Nadu drink.
That was like a cough drink.
Cough drink because she
Yeah.
has cold.
Yeah. So we had it, and now we are going to some place. I don't know where. And then, so where are we going?
We're going to get a surprise for her.
I know that surprise. That is a black sari.
No, we are
Surprise
going to
surprise. I'm at this amazing shop with lots and lots of people over here, and the sari is worth lakhs, but I didn't find the one sari that I really needed. That was black sari with golden border, and I didn't find it. And I was looking at my face that what is the woman demanding actually? So I am in the market right now, and I'm looking for the thing that I really need. Unfortunately, I'm unable to find, and I feel like I'll have to go without what I really need. But I'm really enjoying the view and everything over here. This is so different to what I've been seeing till now so far. This is the queue. Down, people coming up. Oh my goodness. Such a big line. Hey, we are going up little by little, and this line is for eating biryani. This is some SS bucket biryani shop. I don't know what. Priscilla has brought me here to taste it, and I'm like, I don't know. We'll see if it is worth it or not. I hope it is. See?
Precious things takes time.
If this is not precious, you are going to get eaten up. I'm gonna put you on tawa. She's saying it is going to be an adventurous trip, and it is already. I hear the tuck 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 sound, which
She's
is
going to eat this and appreciate me and thank me for the precious food that I We just waited 5 minutes actually. See, we just waited 5 minutes. She's putting up a show there.
our table is getting cleaned, and I hope we are going to get very nice biryani. If that is not tasty, this woman I will eat tonight. By morning, that is finished. It's like it's really very famous over here.
Yeah, that is why. Did you see the people standing there?
Yeah, they were literally there was biryani in the bucket. Biryani in the bucket. Bucket biryani.
Which one? And the brinjal curry you did.
This is bread halwa, they say.
This is also really amazing. This is katrika, brinjal curry.
Brinjal, huh?
Yeah, brinjal and
Then why did you order the other thing? We would have enjoyed this only.
when did I order?
What did we order? The paneer tikka and something like that.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, that's not okay.
You thought they won't give any side dish?
Yeah. I didn't know that they are going to give us this much food already, and we ordered one paneer tikka something. I don't remember what was that. That is also coming. Biryani is also coming. This food is already here, so too much to eat. So definitely parcel is going to go home. This is egg biryani with 2 eggs.
There is one mutton biryani.
There is one egg. Mutton gave the egg. Mutton delivered the egg. So there is mutton in that. So we are going to enjoy this and see. I've just taken one bite.
Laurel is crazy about, so that's what she told me. Appa, if you want, you go. We will eat and come.
This is really so good. Worth waiting. She's also enjoying her mutton biryani. This is so good. Worth waiting. Oh, I am so happy after eating the biryani. I loved it. It's amazing. I'm gonna try this again. Just to eat biryani. My goodness, the queue. This is SS Hyderabad biryani. People insane queue, insane. Oh my goodness, the traffic. Let's not block it. Let's move it. We use red taxi over here. This is also biryani in bucket, and you know, very less people are over there. Almost one cooking, and then okay, let me get into the taxi first. I am in some mall with Chillu, and we did some expensive shopping last time. What we have over here doesn't exist in Northern India Mall, so we bought something, we bought some stuff. Now we are leaving, and we'll go enter some other random shop, and I think we will also do some shopping over there. And this is our last shopping thing. Okay, we both are done with the shopping. We bought a lot of stuff. We have a lot of bags, and I will miss this place, but I really need to go home now. But I want to stay here, Mama. Okay, done. Let's go home. It's very seductive, this place. Very good, very nice. Not that expensive. You can buy a lot of stuff. Happy, happy, happy. Let's go home.